Hello guys, how you guys doing? I'm working on a 2012 Chevy Cruze LT 1.4. And pretty much my battery was pretty much reading like 11.7. It was pretty low, but you know, I mean, I got the battery tested in AutoZone, and it was at like a 89%, which is still good. It's pretty good. So the battery's good. So now I'm changing the alternator, and guys, I've seen so many videos telling you take out the motor mount. It's just a hassle, honestly. It's more work. If you guys honestly are not planning on changing the belt, then it's pretty much nonsense, because I already took out the tensioner. Look, took it out. It's pretty straightforward. It's nothing really difficult. It's the top one, the bottom bolt, loosen them up, and it just comes off. Oh, and something you guys need to know before you guys even take it off. There's this part. This so like a little. There's like a little hole, and pretty much I went onto a website. So you know, to fix cars and everything. It's a really good website, and pretty much it was telling me that before I even, you know, when I start loosening the tensioner, which is this way. And guys, by the way, when you guys are loosening the tensioner, make sure it goes this way. Like, put the ratchet on, and basically you're pushing down. So it'll loosen it up. That's how you loosen it up. You push it down, okay? And so when you do that, pretty much these springs go down. And pretty much that's what this thing's for. And that's why it tells you to put like a pin, so this doesn't go down. So it pretty much doesn't open up. It keeps it, you know, pretty much in the same spot. Because if you don't do this part, you can end up damaging your tensioner. So that's a really important part. But it's not even difficult. I'll tell you this, when I was unloosening it, you know, getting the belt off, it was pretty hard, but that's about it. That's the most difficult part. Then you know, as I started pulling down, I already had this like tucked in there, so it pretty much stay there. So you guys can, you know, put it like something through the hole before you guys unloosen everything, and that'll stay there. And that's how you guys want it, you know, pretty much how it was. If this pretty much is like if the belt was on, you know, it keeps it really tight. So that's that. Oh, and I drew my little diagram of how the pulley went. Kind of looks weird, but so now it's pretty much now I'm loosening the bolts. This bolt, it's 1, 2, 2 in the bottom, and I think it's only 2. I'll let you guys know. And also in the back of the alternator, let me try to get you guys in there. The back, yeah, well, pretty much in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but there's pretty much there's like a little nut that's holding one of the cables. You just, you know, it's not difficult. You guys can do it. You just, you know, grab your ratchet, your socket, and pretty much just work behind it. It's not a really big deal. And after that, it's about taking it out.